Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Synoptic Gospel. These three books, Matthew, Mark, and Luke, are called synoptic because they see the life of Jesus with a common perspective. Let's explore what this means and why it is so important. The word of synoptic comes from two Greek words. Syn means together and opis means view. So the synoptic gospel are the book that see together. They tell many of the same stories about Jesus, his miracles, his parables, and his journey to the cross. Understanding the synoptic gospels is essential if we want to know who Jesus is and what he taught. The Gospels were written in the first century. They are not myth created hundreds of years later, but accounts roots in the eyewitness testimony and oral tradition. Most scholars believe that Mark was the earliest gospel. Matthew and Luke then used Mark as a foundation, along with other sources, to write their own accounts. Each gospel writer selected, arranged, and emphasized certain details to teach the truth and Jesus to their own audience. When we compare the three synoptic gospels, we see both similarities and difference. For example, many passages in Matthew and Mark and Luke have almost the same wording. This shows they are connected, but each gospel also includes unique material. Matthew emphasizes Jesus as the fulfillment of the Old Testament prophecy. Luke highlights the Jesus' compassion for the poor and outsiders, while Mark gives the fast-paced account of Jesus' actions. The differences are not contradiction. Instead, they give us a fuller and richer picture of Jesus. Some people ask, can we really trust the Gospels? The answer is yes. The Synoptic Gospels are based on historical events. They were accepted by the early church as true accounts. Archaeological discoveries has confirmed many of the cultural and geographical details mentioned in the Gospels. Together, they provide a truthworthy portrait of Jesus, his ministry, his death, and his resurrection. In conclusion, the Synoptic Gospels give us an unified view of Jesus Christ. They show us His Word, His works, and His love. Each Gospel highlights different aspects, but together they point us to the same Lord and Savior. For Christians today, the Synoptic Gospels are not just ancient documents, they are living words that continue to shape our faith and guide our teaching. Thank you.